Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I went grocery shopping for the Thanksgiving and yeah, I noticed a lot of deals were available. So if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, you can click the subscribe button, like and share this video. So I first of all went to Walmart and I noticed that they have some price slash on ingredients used for sides, like potatoes was now 50 cents per pound, which is good. That is different from the regular price of maybe $1 per pound. And sides, vegetables for sides like collard greens. Yes, collard greens is a very popular side for Thanksgiving dinner. So the price was also slashed to 97 cents per bundle. Yeah, so that is I think the regular price is like $1.40 though. So yeah, so that's one good thing. I noticed that during Thanksgiving, most of the grocery stores they reduce the prices. But on getting to HEB, I noticed that the price of sweet potatoes was slashed to 25 cents per pound compared to 50 cents in Walmart. Yeah, so I got a lot of sweet potatoes from here. So sweet potatoes are a very popular side dish for Thanksgiving celebration. Apples in Walmart were being sold for $1.70 each. However, in HEB, I noticed that they were going for 77 cents each. Pineapple casserole is a very common or popular side during Thanksgiving, so people normally buy a lot of pineapple during Thanksgiving period. Also notice that the prices of lemon and lime were also reduced during this Thanksgiving season because they both come handy for making different sauces and also for different dishes during this Thanksgiving period. Cranberry is used to make cranberry sauce, also a side for Thanksgiving dinner. So the price was also slashed to 97 pence per bag. I also checked out the prices of turkey, which is the main dish for Thanksgiving dinner. And yeah, so these are the different prices. This one I'm showing now is going for 97 cents per pound. And this is the butterball, the very popular one that people normally get. So it's going for 97 cents. And this is in Walmart. Butterball turkey at HEB is also going for 97 cents per pound. And yeah, so you see that for a reasonable size of turkey, the price range, depending on the size though, varies between $18 for maybe a small turkey to about $30 for the very big turkey. So these are all the different options of turkey available. Just going to allow you to browse through and see which one you prefer. So after going through all the different brands of turkey available, I came across this one, an already seasoned turkey. So it's ready to go into the oven. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to wash it, or it's ready. Everything is in there, all the seasoning you need, and they have different types of seasoning also. So you can just choose which one you prefer and put it right into the oven and allow it to cook. So you can guess which one I got. These ginger, they're so tiny, but I had no option but to buy them because I needed some. Then I went ahead to also check out the price of yam. Yam is not a side for this type of yam, African yam is not a side for Thanksgiving dinner. So the price is just the normal price. So a small tuber like this one could go for $20. Yeah, so at least between $15 and $20. I hope this video is useful to you and that you enjoy grocery shopping for your Thanksgiving dinner. You can subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button to like this video and share this video with family and friends. So from my family to yours, I wish you a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next time in my next video. God bless you. Bye.